Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today's video is all about a review on an eyeshadow palette that I've been waiting to share with you guys, and it is on the new Sephora Electric Flame eyeshadow palette right here. So this is how the palette actually looks like. It's so beautiful, it's so unique. It has like different like graffitis around it. So how you're gonna open this palette is you're gonna pop this one up and then bring it down, and then you have a protective seal, and we have 6 shades inside the palette. So the reason why I bought this eyeshadow palette is to challenge myself to play with red eyeshadow, and I'm very happy to say that because I have that going on my eyes right now. So you guys want to see how I actually create this look with this Electric Flame eyeshadow palette, just keep on watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Let's go.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know
and reviews on this eyeshadow palette is I really like it. I don't mind the eyeshadow fallout, but the color payout is really good, especially when it comes to the red. It's not like a neon red, a very soft, nice red that can literally work for all skin tones. So we have come to this end of this video. I really hope you guys actually enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel for further videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.